to give you my 3 best home remedies to help your skin look better. With over 30 years of clinical experience, I've seen exactly what happens to the skin during menopause and, more importantly, what actually works to bring it back. Because here's the hard truth. Collagen creams and jade rollers and overpriced facials aren't reversing sagging. They're fabulous for the skin, they feel lovely, but they're marketing distractions, if I'm honest. So let's get right into it. The 3 main causes of skin sagging over the age of 50. Number 1, collagen collapse. Let's call it collagen loss, but collagen collapse. Collagen is the scaffolding that keeps our skin firm, lifted and elastic. But here's what most women don't realize. You lose up to 30% of your collagen in the first 5 years after menopause. That's not a gradual decline, that's a landslide, ladies. And with estrogen gone, your body slows collagen production dramatically. This is why your skin doesn't bounce back anymore. The structure beneath it has disappeared. Number 2, sugar damage. Now, let's talk sugar. You already know it's bad for your waistline, but it's catastrophic for your skin. When you consume sugar, it binds to your collagen through a process called glycation. This literally stiffens the collagen, making it brittle and prone to breaking down. Think of your collagen like elastic. Now imagine that elastic frozen solid and crumbling when it's stretched. That's what sugar will do to your skin from the inside out. It leads to sagging, dullness, crepey skin, crepey texture, and premature aging. Even if you've never smoked a day in your life, you're going to experience this if you have high sugar in your diet. Number 3 is facial muscle atrophy. It's the one that no one really is talking about. Facial muscle loss. After 50, we begin to lose muscle all over our body. We know that. And your face is no exception. In fact, there are 43 muscles in your face, and when they weaken, your skin literally has nothing to hold on to. This is why your cheeks may look flatter, your jawline starts to soften, and you get that melting effect. Even if your skin is hydrated, this is going to happen. But here's the good news. You can train those facial muscles and they will respond. Just like your arms or legs, muscle tone can be restored with the right technique. We understand the 3 main reasons now behind sagging skin. Let's talk about what actually works to reverse it naturally, affordably, and at home. My first step is rebuild your collagen naturally. Sounds easy, right? But let's support our collagen from within. That means a high protein diet, collagen boosting nutrients like vitamin C, zinc, and amino acids. And one of my absolute favorites, topicals, retinoids, retinols, and yes, castor oil, which supports tissue regeneration and deep hydration. Now you can also explore red light therapy, something that I'm a huge fan of, and microneedling. Microneedling is sensational. It causes little micro injuries, which in turn gets the body working again and producing collagen again. But remember, no matter what you do, it's going to start with skin nourishment. So what you put into your body. So cut out sugar. It's breaking you down. Reducing sugar isn't just about weight loss or fat loss. It's about preserving the very fabric of your skin, your collagen. Swap processed sugars for whole foods. Check your labels, they're hidden. Sugar is hidden in our foods. Focus on fiber, protein, and healthy fats, and your skin will reward you with less puffiness, better tone, and reduced sagging. My final at-home step number 3, activate your facial muscles with massage and stimulation. It's so easy to do, but it's the step that most women miss, and it's so easy to add to your skincare routine at night. It's a game changer. Facial massage with castor oil stimulates muscle tone, improves circulation, and helps lift the skin back into place. I absolutely love to use this. This is a stainless steel gua sha. I pop it in the fridge. It's lovely, it's cooling. I can use it to pull my jawline. I can use it to help raise my cheeks. I also love this. Again, it's a great tool for stimulating the muscles. I just apply my castor oil. Oh, it feels divine. You can even use it on your neck actually. It's a great tool. Love these. But if you wanted to splurge, get yourself a zip halo. These are microcurrent and they work by stimulating the muscles too. Either way, what you want to do is train your muscles again. Think of it as Pilates or a workout for your face yoga if you like. A few minutes a day can make an incredible visible difference, and in just a few weeks you're going to see the changes. Now I've put together a free step-by-step guide that shows you exactly how to do my little 5-minute castor oil routine with my favorite tools. It's the same ritual I use on myself, and it's helped countless women improve their jawline, reduce puffiness, and bring their skin back to life after the age of 50. Just click the link in the description box below and it will take you to your free download. Now, if you couldn't wait and you wanted to get these, I've linked them also for you, including my favorite castor oil and my favorite rosehip oil, which also is a great one when you're thinking about improving your skin. Now ladies, if you haven't done so already, please think about subscribing and hitting that notification bell. Spread the love with your girlfriends as well. I've chosen this video for you next. Until the next time, bye for now.